Welcome everybody, I'm Anna, and tonight I'm your host here at Live With. For me, it's a pleasure and a great opportunity to present this show, and of course, also to present Live With, broadcasted by Adiga TVShow. You know, the aim of this show is to present you some guests that have achieved some remarkable goals in their lives. And I promise you, tonight I have a big challenge. Of course, you know, the people that are here are always like an example of all the people are watching us. So don't forget to watch us. Before starting, I would like to say something and to highlight that you can make all your questions that you have with a live chat, and I will take all the questions that you will make on this, and I will submit it to our guests. And let's have this show. Now we are here with Yasmeen and Haneen, and I would like to present you a little bit these two girls that they're playing a really, really huge challenge. Of course, they are going to the Kilimanjaro, and they are going to play a football match up to the mountain. Their dream, of course, is getting their name in the Guinness World Record. So I would like to ask you, Yasmeen and Haneen, can you please tell us something about your past, something about your experiences, and of course, why football?
Okay. First of all, thank you for having us. It's a pleasure for us to be here. My name is Haneen. I'm 22 years old. I'm a journalism and media student, and I'm going to Kilimanjaro in 6 days. Sounds crazy, but yeah, we're going to Kilimanjaro and we're playing the highest football match ever. Okay, I started to play football like when I was like 11 years old.
Okay.
I started playing, was the only girls in the neighborhood, obviously. And football and sport in overall has made me who I am today. I'm so passionate. I'm so excited about what's going to happen. I got some great achievements in football, and I think football had a huge part in my life. And yes.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for having us in this amazing interview and this amazing show. First, as you know, my name is Yasmeen Shabsough. I'm 21 years old. I study marketing, and I will be graduating this semester, hopefully, inshallah. And I'm a football player. I've been playing football for 12 years till now. I started playing football from a young age, like when I was 5 years old with my cousins and family. And yeah, I joined Amman Club at the age of 12. Okay. And then they chose me to play for the national team at the age of 14, and here I am now.
Okay, thank you very much for your answers. And I would like to ask you, can you explain something more about this event, and of course how you both get enrolled in this huge challenge?
Okay, the project called Equal Playing Field. The project is about women empowerment and being women in sports and all over. Yeah, equality in sports. So we are 30 girls from 22 countries around the world. We have the same passion, we have the same love of the game, it's football. Most of the players are national players or ex-national players like me. So about the project is about having equality, and we want to be heard and we want to be seen as a women playing sports or women footballers.
Yes. So how we knew about this project?
Yes,
well, I knew about this project from a friend. We used to play friendly matches together at the British Council. So she's British. I knew about this project from her. So she's the founder of this project.
So the founder, let's say the founder are two girls,
yes,
two crazy
they
girls.
are two crazy girls.
They had the idea that why we don't play the highest altitude football game,
and they're living here in Jordan.
No, they're from...
one of them works here.
Yeah, one of them works in Jordan, and the other one, she's from England. Yeah, so she texted Guinness World Record. She told them about this project, and then they directly replied for her, very excited about this project. So they started looking for players. So they texted me, and then I started emailing them about more details and stuff like that. And then when I got accept for this project, I told Haneen about this project, and then she...
And I think we're super lucky on this.
Of course.
Yeah.
But did you already play together with
Yes,
this
sure.
team?
Yeah.
Okay.
A national team under 14.
Yes, under 14.
And we traveled to Sri Lanka in
Together.
2000.
Okay. So you trained yourself also there.
Yes.
I would like to ask you, what are the other training that you are conducting right now in order to improve yourself to get this challenge?
Okay, so basically I do cycling, I run, and I do football. I think like sport is really lifestyle, and I think I don't know how to pass a week without doing any kind of sport.
Yes.
Actually, Yasmeen, she got addicted to CrossFit, so I'm doing CrossFit with her for now to get some strength and stuff. Actually,
Yes, and we are using the oxygen mask.
Okay.
So to get used to the altitude, and because you know, as much as we go higher, the oxygen gets lower. So just to have the atmosphere and how to know how to play in a little bit of oxygen, you can say.
I think
yes.
3 months ago we started to do hiking.
Yes, we went hiking. Yeah.
And are you also having a diet or something that can compensate your effort?
She's super healthy. She's super healthy. Yeah.
Good to know.
No, I think we're good. Yeah.
Okay. And do you have other achievement in your life that you would like to reach, or you have some other dreams, some things that you would like to do? And
okay, for me, as a journalism and media student, so I always like to tell stories about others, to tell story about achievement, and being in sport field and being in all around the voluntary works and the volunteer community and all this stuff. So pretty much I like to pass the message of others and to share the experience and the achievements with other guys. I think this is possible with our media channels and all this stuff.
And for me, I would like to be with the FIFA team.
Voila.
Yeah, I'd like to be working for FIFA.
I also know that FIFA provides you all the materials to set the playground, because you are the one that have to set the playground in the Kilimanjaro.
And we had the chance actually, like 1 year ago, to be part of the Under-17 Women World Cup here in Jordan. That happened. Me and Yasmeen, we were team liaison officers for Team UK
England
and Team Cameroon. And yeah, I think this is how Yasmeen got in love with FIFA.
Okay. I would like to ask you, how can this challenge influence all the other people that are watching you, and also if you have like some suggestions for girls that want to play football here in Jordan?
Well, in my opinion, because if you have a dream, then you have to achieve it. You have to work for it. Because if you don't work for it or put a plan for it, it's just a wish. So it's not going to happen. So we have a dream. We want to climb Kilimanjaro. We want to play this game and be in Guinness World Record. So we are working for it. We are doing our plan for it, and we will hopefully do it. Yeah.
For me, I think I will be inspired by some women's like athlete sport over there on the mountain, and I think I will get the chance to inspire other girls here in Jordan. I think doing this for myself, for my family, for everyone, for every woman to see herself that she can do it, and I think we all have the ability. We just need the push and to believe in ourselves.
Of course. I would like also to mention that you are going to work in the football clinic that you are going to provide in Tanzania. Can you please explain a little bit more about this project and what are you going to do there?
Sure. So as a second part of the project of Equal Playing Field project, it's about first climbing Kilimanjaro and then going back and do the impact that we need for our community, for our to be seen and to be like sports for women are in I don't know, but we have the chance and we have the ability to do sport. So as a second part, I say we're going to do clinics for all like 10 countries and who's participate in the mountain Kilimanjaro.
So also here in Jordan?
Yes,
Yes.
here in Jordan we are going to do 2 clinics, one in Zaatari and one in Amman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the clinics are
But
going...
first,
yeah.
me and Yasmeen decided to be a part of
Yes.
the Tanzania clinics,
Clinic.
to get the knowledge and to get
Of
all the
course.
experience that we need, and to pass it here to Jordan and see what's going to happen. I know that there's many clinics and football here in Jordan for women's, but I think we're going to put our special fingerprint in
Yes.
this. So we are planning to do 2 clinics football, one in Yasmeen Zaatari, and it's partnership with the NGOs and the other communities organization here in Jordan. Hopefully that we will be having 50 to 150 women and girls to get them know about sport, to get them involved in sport, that sports can do impact in our.
Yes.
And I think it's not only about sport, it's about health, education, and getting more.
Thank you very much for this interview. We are going to have a little break and please don't go away, stay here because we have other questions for both of them. Now we are going to a live performance. Ahmad Ai is here with us and is ready to play his music, circation music. I would like to introduce a little bit Ahmad, and I would like to highlight that he's the one that developed a software that translates music into notes. Enjoy the music. What scares you more? Okay.
Scares you more. ايش بخوفك؟ I'm scared about I'm scared. كيف تحكي انه انا بخاف من الحشرات؟
Thank you, Ahmad. I would like to thank you very, very much for this wonderful music and also the Certification Association to support us with this huge and amazing studio. And this is Adiga TV show. Be ready for the challenge. And I would like to submit to you just other few questions. One of this is like really easy. What's your favorite football match, football team? Are you following some team?
I'm a Barcelona fan.
Yeah. I think I will go with her since we're spending like 9 days together.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have some like fears? What scares you more in this adventure?
Well, I'm afraid of insects, all kinds of insects, yes, and I have a fear of heights. So these two together on the mountain.
So
she has some mission to do.
So it's a big challenge for me. It's going to be a big challenge, yeah. But I'm gonna do it.
Of course.
Okay, for me, definitely, it's going to be life-changing challenge for me and once in a lifetime experience. I'm afraid of not being able to enjoy every moment in it, not being able to get the knowledge and to get every experience I need from there.
I would really, really wish you a good luck.
Thank you so much.
Let us know how it's going.
Sure,
We're
definitely.
so excited about this. And thank you very much to be here.
Thank you for having us.
Don't forget to follow us on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Facebook, and please do it as soon as possible. We are here.